This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable placemats, specifically these great semi-disposable placemats that you can get extra usage out. They measure 11 3/4 by 15 3/4 and come in an array of colors and styles. We have two here, the River Stone, which is a beautiful gray, just lovely kind of visual of soft river stones, and the chili peppers, which gives you that nice kind of hot, spicy vibe on a dark, deep kind of charcoal background. These placemats have a great acrylic vinyl coating that means that they can be reused up to 10 times. So they're a perfect upgrade to regular disposable placemats, especially for fast casual dining establishments and restaurants where you want a quick cleanup and turnover between service. These are easy just to wipe down with a damp cloth, and they're going to help protect your tabletops and speed up your cleanup. They've got a great contemporary look that's going to fit a variety of establishments, and they'd be great in things like office break rooms, or if you're just a busy parent at home looking for something easy to protect your tables from messes, easy to clean up, and then tossable when it's done.